Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a minimal gradient posters. Create a new canvas with a solid neutral color. Go to the gradient field and open gradient editor. Pick two pastel shadows, one warm and one cool, and also apply radial gradient from the center outward, and add a faint textures overlay to make it modern. Now insert minimalist typography in the centers and also duplicate text and reduce opacity for a subtle echo. Use a gradient overlay on text to match the background flow. This keeps the composition cohesive. Your poster now looks clean, aesthetic and professional.